Hi everyone, my name is Yan and this is our project Foodle. Foodle is for people who can never decide on food. This is my team, Mary, Liddy, and Jennifer. One day I asked them, what do you guys want to do for brunch? And this is what I got. So I said, but you guys have to pick one eventually. Then I went all over again. You and your friends are so hungry, but simply cannot decide on where to eat. We've all been there. So we built Foodle, a dynamic polling app for you and your friends to pick a restaurant in New York City. Choosing a place to eat doesn't have to be this difficult. Instead of the endless texting back and forth and the switching between Yelp and Google Maps, you can simply make your brunch plan happen with a Foodle app. Foodle is a mobile-friendly web application as simple as creating an event with a location and a cuisine type in mind, sharing the link with your friends, and voting on a randomly generated restaurant poll. Votes are visualized in real time on the event dashboard, so you can see the results whenever your friends update their votes. Once everyone's votes are in, the organizer can make a final decision on the restaurant. Then the event is finalized, and your group is all set. Use Foodle to make planning easy for your next hangout.
On the homepage, you can get started by logging in or creating a new account. Once you're in your account, you can go to create a new event and start filling out details for the event you wanted to plan with your friends. You can enter a date and a time for your event, and then you can choose one neighborhood in the 5 boroughs of New York City and then one food category. Foodle app is going to take all this information and generate 3 restaurant suggestions for you and your friends to vote on. In this case, near Tribeca, and we're looking for tacos. So you can send this event link to your friends. Each person can go in and look at more information about any restaurant, then ultimately select which ones that they would like to go to. So these votes get updated in real time, and then as the event organizer or as an event participant, you can see what the preferences are in your group. And as the event organizer, you can finalize the final destination for your outing. So there's a clear winner here. We'll finalize event, and now your event's confirmed. You know exactly what restaurant, what location, and when you and your friends are meeting.
Now we'll talk about the tech stack used to create Foodle. On the front end, we use React with hooks, Redux, Bulma, Sass, and D3 for data visualization. We also integrated Socket.io for real-time server updates, as Redux manages the application state for events, polls, and responses. To create a visually appealing app and display all the information in an easy, digestible way, we used the Bulma CSS framework and built out a custom theme using Sass. This allowed us to create responsive layouts and forms that are mobile-friendly and accessible, as well as make styling choices that were consistent throughout the app. Another core piece was the integration with Google Places API. We used Google Places to retrieve restaurant suggestions tailored to the event details that were input by the event organizer, such as locations in or around a New York City and food category. For now, Foodle focuses on restaurants, but by using the Google Places API, we can build upon our app and expand to allow options beyond restaurants. The Google Places API contains data on parks, fitness classes, movie theaters, and many other kinds of fun activities that you can do with a group of friends.
Displaying poll results for our users presented another interesting set of technical challenges. We paired Socket.io with D3 for dynamic data visualizations. Socket.io allowed us to accept responses from multiple users and show the votes changing in real time. We implemented our data visualization with the D3 library. On the back end, we built our server with Node using the Express framework. We use PostgreSQL for our database, along with SQLize for object relational mapping. Choosing the right database and schema was key. Our app has complex relational logic. Different pieces of data, such as users, events, polls, and responses, are all interconnected. So we chose to use a relational database. We selected PostgreSQL specifically for its unique array data type, which is unusual for a relational database and allowed us to simplify our schema for polling. Thank you for checking out Foodle. We really enjoyed building this app together. Please feel free to check out the link below to try it out. We hope Foodle will make planning a little easier next time you get together with friends.